First, it's going to that particular website, then actions, okay, action, okay, action class equal to new action. Okay, we are passing our driver object. Okay, we are passing our driver object. Yes. Okay, we will see. Then element equal driver dot find element. Okay, what is the element here? What we need to take? Tell me. Web element. Web element equal to driver dot find element by text this one. Okay, then what we need to do? This action one dot okay, first of all this is not working, so that's fine. We will see action class in C#, right? So these are all the operations we can do. Mouse events, okay, click, double click, context click, click and hold, drag and drop by, move by offset, move to element. Right now we are using move to element. Okay. So right click cancel in there. Let's go here. This is another introduction. How do you right click on any element? Okay. So see actions. This is the Java actions equal to new actions driver.
I have one question, Sanand.
Yeah.
So how do you get when you right click, right? There are like a lot of options there. So how you'll get that option's name, or how do you print out those names?
After right clicking.
Yeah, after click, right? You have added this copy me tag favorites export,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
how you get all this list printed out?
Right click inside the box to see the context menu. Okay. Then we will see. Okay. Maybe let's see the code, what they're doing. Go to the options, accept the LSO, close the browser. See here what they're doing. Web driver, Firefox driver, driver.navigate, then system.printout line. This is equal to console.writeLine in C#. Then driver.manage.window.maximize. Okay. Then actions class they are taking. Then element they are taking. Right click button. Okay, this is a web element. Then actions dot context click. Actions dot context click. We will use the actions dot context click on any element to right click on that particular element. So now right click menu is displayed. Okay. Then again they are getting some element. Okay, web element. Here you see right click item. The right click item in the div they are coming. Okay. So now div of 1 they are taking. So div of 1, that is the one, first one. The first one they are clicking, element option. First one they are clicking. What is the first one here? It's 0, 1 index. Okay. Copy me. Okay. So here, okay. So Saima, your question is like how to get the options, right? This one.
How to get all the options, not
Yeah,
only
yeah.
one.
Don't use the
Yes.
one here. Then you use the find elements here instead of element. Then you will get the list of the web elements.
Okay, so list of web elements.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. List of web elements. Okay. So this is
Okay.
C sharp. We will use list of web element. In Java, you will use list of web element. This is Java code, not C sharp code. Okay. Right.
I know.
So here they are clicking the one. What is one? Always index starts with 0. This is second element. One means second element, right? Okay, that's what they're doing. So let's look into the issue. What is the issue we are facing here? First of all, it's not taking the actions class. It's action it's taking. Don't look into the Java code. Selenium C Sharp we want, not Java. Events. See, everybody use the Java, that's the problem. These are all the methods, okay? So what are all the methods it supports? All this one. Again, this is also Java code, right? Action. Okay. Let's import the namespace. Okay, here this is Java code. In C Sharp, what we do? Using openqa.selenium.interactions dot actions. Okay, let's go there. That's the issue.
I think it's pretty much same. Just the import and all this stuff just little bit changed. Nothing else.
Yeah, that's what I told you. Both will be same, Java and C Sharp. You did not believe me, okay? Uh, openqa.selenium.interactions. Interactions, okay? So now, if you go for interactions, okay, yeah, here. Do you have actions class? Yes, no. Yes, no. Yes, now actions class. Okay. So now by the web element. Okay. So action dot move to element. Which element we are moving? This one, this element. Dot what we have to do after moving? Click. Here? Here now? Okay, this is also in direction. How we will move to some element and perform the click. So first we will declare the object for the actions class, passing the driver. Okay. What is this one? Tell me, anyone. What is this one will do? This line of code, what this will do? When you say actions, action equal to new actions, what this will do?
I think it will create the object for this class.
Will create a object for this class. And what is this one? If you are passing dr, and where
It's drive.
it's a constructor. So
Yeah.
if you go to this class, there will be a constructor. Constructor is same name as the class name, right? Public actions will be there, which is taking some web driver there in that class. So that's why we are passing the driver, right? So now after that, this is the regular code, right? We are in this website, we are finding some element. What element we are finding? By link test, this one. So what is the other way? Tell me. If you don't want link test, what is the other way we can find that element? If we close that one,
We can use XPath, CSS
we can use the
selector.
XPath or CSS selector, right? Let's go to that web. Just tell me how to find. Ajay, you are there? Just tell me. Okay, tell me how we can find this element using the XPath.
Inspect.
Inspect. Inspect. Control F.
Control F.
Yeah.
Double slash.
Double slash. First decide how you are going. You are going with the attribute ID. We have ID also.
ID.
Is this one, okay? Okay. Double slash. Double slash.
A.
A.
Href.
Huh?
No.
Brackets you need to put.
Okay.
Why href? We decide to go with ID. ID equal to this one element. Right? You can go with
Yes.
also. Okay, anything. Okay, this is the XPath. So what is the code we will write here? Instead of link test, this is one way. Other way is web element equal to driver dot find element by XPath. Right? This one, right? This is iWeb element here. Right? So now action start move to element. This is the action class. Move to element and click. Okay. So now if you click, what will happen? Now this one, let's say if you click get started free. So now you need to verify you reach to this page. How you will verify? Tell me, anyone. You need to verify you reach to sign up page.
So you have to add assertion and
Yeah.
then create a free account is available or not. So that's how you'll know.
Create a assertion for which one we are setting?
No, create a free account like
Oh, okay, this
the
one you are talking about,
yes,
right?
first
Okay.
one, yeah.
Okay, how to check? Tell me. Or what is the other option? Can you tell by looking at the URL sign up page? If sign up page this is navigate to this page, sign up page, then we can say it moved to registration page, right? How do you validate using the URL? Tell me. Say I want to get the URL and add the assertion.
So you have to do the expected URL and homepage URL. That's all.
Yeah. So string expected URL equal to this one. Okay. Now actual URL. Okay. Expected URL equal to this one. And actual URL. How we can get the actual URL? Tell me. Tell me how we can get the actual URL.
driver.url
Driver dot URL.
URL.
So now how to assert? Priyanka, how to assert? What we need to assert? Tell me now.
Assert equals expected and actual.
Assert dot R equal.
Yes.
R equal. What is the first parameter? Expected.
Expected URL.
Expected URL, comma,
Actual URL.
actual URL should be same. Okay. If not matching, user is not navigated to sign up. When we will get this message? Tell me. When we will get this message?
When expected URL not matching with the actual URL.
Yeah. When assertion fail. That means test case fail. This error will.
Yes, yes.
Can we run this? Okay. How to run this? Go here, search in the text explorer. Go there. So Simon, do you like the Visual Studio compared to Eclipse now?
I'm currently using IntelliJ and
Yeah,
Eclipse.
IntelliJ. Yeah, but still, you see how user friendly this one is.
I think IntelliJ is more user friendly.
Oh, really? Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's just click on this one because maybe for me it's easy because I am this using from 20 years maybe. That's the reason.
That's true. Because when I used to use Eclipse for the first time, it was look easier for me, and then now I'm good with IntelliJ.
IntelliJ. So what is wrong here? Why it's not clicking? Any export wrong? It failed? Test case failed? Yeah, it failed. See why it failed. Yeah. Hey, where is the assertion, man? See, expected this one, actual browser stack.com. Where is the assertion we mentioned? Let's debug, okay? Let's debug. So why it went there? Then it has to click on this one, right? That did not happen. That's the reason it failed. Understand? So let's debug. Okay, iWeb element we are getting. Move to element click. Did it click? Nope. So that is not working. That's the reason. Then obviously it won't match, right? Okay. Why it's not working? Then we have to check.
I think we have to use like a build.perform.
Build.perform, right?
Yes, that's the reason it's not working. I think build.perform and then click.
Yeah. Wait. Move to element build.perform, then the action. No, it's not coming. Okay. Build dot perform dot actions dot click dot build dot perform. Okay. I will say this is correct. Okay. So now we will debug. Okay. I will put a breakpoint here. Then nice. Done. Okay. So now our expected URL is hard coded. Actual URL we are getting driver.url. So what is the actual URL coming? This one. Now we are comparing expected URL and actual. Both are HTTPS. Yes. Right. Now we will see. Understand? This passed. It's going to clean up. Is it clear now, guys? Actions class. Okay. We are doing simple action like move to the element. Move to the element. Action dot move to the element. Okay. Click. You need to do build dot perform. Okay. Then it will perform the action. This particular action. What is the action we are doing? Move to the element and click. Okay. Understand? So what are the other actions we have? Okay. So if you look into that actions class, so what are the other actions it can do? See here actions dot. If you put actions dot, okay, let's check here. We can check it here right away. So where is our object? Here, action, right? You do action dot. You see what are the other actions we can do? Scroll by amount, scroll from margin, scroll to element. Okay. Send keys. Send keys. Let's say there is a text box. Okay, first we move to the element dot send keys we can do. So remember in interviews they will ask the question, how do you enter the text? Then normally we will say send keys, right? Is there any way, any other way you can enter the text? Tell me what is the other way we can do. We can use the action class. We can move to that element text box and we can do the send keys. Understand? So we will try that scenario also. Okay. So now same way key up, key down, keyboard events, key up, key down, double click, context click if you want right click on any element. Can we try this one? Context click. Okay. We will write separate test case for that. Okay. Let's write separate test case for that one. Control C, Control V. Right click, I will say. Right click on some element. So which website we will take? Same thing or let's see. Let's go home page. Home page. Okay. Now right click on this one. View tutorial library. So let's say inspect this one. Okay. So this one some hyperlink. Can anyone tell me XPath for this? XPath for this.
Link text. We can use link text.
We can use link test. Okay, tell me how to link test your say tutorial library, right? Okay, let's go
Yes.
by link test. You are saying link test. This one, right? Link test.
Yes.
And then right click. How we can do actions dot action dot
Context click.
context click. Context. Okay. We'll see. Uh, see another entry question. This is another entry question they will ask. Right click on the element. See here, action. Some element we are taking. Now we took the view library. This is double click. We are not double clicking, right? So we are right clicking. Action start context click of the element dot perform of the element dot the dot perform we will say. So we don't want any of this. Just want to see right click. Are we able to right click on the element or not? Right? So let's try this. Debug. I did not put the breakpoint. That's fine. We will see. We'll see. Pawan, what happened, man? You said link test and everything. Link test is not working. Why you gone for the link test? Can use another. Not this.
Use XPath.
Okay. What is wrong here? Tell me, Pawan. What is wrong?
I think you method name.
The name is this one.
No, method name is fine.
What is wrong? Priyanka, what is wrong here? Najee?
Clip operation.
So I always say don't by heart when you are learning. Which website you are going? Tell me.
Browser.
In browser stack, do we have the this one link test?
Tutorial library.
So basic mistake, right?
We need to change URL.
Yeah. TechTutorialz.com, right? More on this. Did not worked. It failed. No such element exception for the view tutorial library. Pawan, no such element exception. It's not finding this. So tell me what is the other way we can find this element. How to find this element?
So by using class.
Using class. Okay.
Yes, sir. XPath. You can write XPath for that. Double slash. A. Bracket. Inside the bracket @
Why don't you go with test instead of class.
Okay, sir.
A
Test
text
bracket equal
single
to
quote,
single quotes.
this one
Yeah, unique. This one unique.
unique, right?
Yeah.
See this one, come here by X path, right? By X path, this one. Right? So now we'll try now. So if the meeting ends, rejoin, okay, using the same link, same WebEx link. Okay, now F10 build.perform. Wait. See what is happening. F10. This one. This is the right click of the element. Inspect all these things, right? Open link on link in new tab. Same window, right? We got here. These are the options we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? All these 6 options, right? Open link in this one. Clear? So these are the right click options for this one. Again, we can inspect this. Okay. Actually, it's showing on the element only, but since already we are in the debug mode, okay, let's close this. We will see. Let's run this one more time. Okay, right click, run. So closely observe. Somewhere those options should come. Right? Clear? Is it clear? This one, right click. Okay. Is about context. To remember context click. So same way, we have other methods like a drag and drop and everything. Let's say here, if you do action dot, you see what are the other options are there. Click and hold. Okay, click and hold. So context click will double click. If you want to double click something, let's say you can use the double click. What is drag and drop? Drag and drop method also there. So we can practice all these things. Like again, some people they will ask, how do you drag and drop some element? So same thing. You need to create object for the action class. Then you need to built-in method. Is it clear? Okay. Let's say right click we know already. Okay. What is this one? Drag and drop. See here, drag and drop. See here, they need to drag and drop here.
So we need like target element, two elements, like where to drag and where to drop.
Yeah,
So
yes.
two of them.
See here, from or to, drag and drop. So they created object for the actions. There are two elements here. From two and two. Drag and drop, what you are passing? From two elements. Both are
Source to
IWeb elements.
target.
Both are IWeb elements. Dot build dot community. Clear? Okay. Let's open this website. Let's open this website. Okay. Let's open this website. From and row, credit to bank. So we have credit to bank. Okay. Okay. Let's say how to write this code. Tell me in C sharp. We want to write. Okay. Let's go here. Copy. Okay. I'm going here. Pasting this one. Okay. Drag and drop. This is, what is this annotation? This is test engine. So we want to convert n unit. Okay. Test method. Required drag and drop. We don't want system dot property. All these things. Driver we have. Okay. So what is our driver object?
Driver dot navigate to go to URL.
Driver dot navigate dot go to your
Go to URL.
that URL. Okay, that URL we are going element here. Our driver is driver dot C sharp is case sensitive, right? Right. Find element by sensitive by X path. Okay, again driver dot find element by dot X path. We will check what is the issue here. Okay, actions driver class and driver object actions dot drag and drop from comma to. Okay, what is the issue here? This is Java code, iWeb element. Here we need
Web element.
in Java web element everything. Here C sharp iWeb element. Clear? Here this is case sensitive. Build B caps. P caps in C sharp. Is it clear now? Okay. First, now we want to see what is that element, this element in the web page. How to check? Not this. That web page is there. Web page is there. How to check which element is that? Inspect anything. Go to developer tools. This one. Control F.
Control.
V.
Paste text box there.
Bank. This is bank. Understand? You know it's a bank. Highlighted. Again, remove and paste. See bank. That is first element. Bank. Second one. This one. Second one here. You see debit size. Debit side. Under that you have account and amount, right? Now closely observe. Where is the second one? Here. That one. Account. Okay. We'll drag that bank. Drop it here. Okay. We will see what will happen. Okay. Let's run this test case. Okay. I'm not putting any breakpoint since it is we don't want to pause any action. I will run it directly. Okay. So to run it, drag and drop. Run. This guy is joining now. Okay. Very fast. Wait. Okay. Right click. Run. Closely observe the page. I am not touching the mouse. You understand that bank? They drag and drop under the account. Are you able to see the bank now?
Yeah.
Okay. This is how the drag and drop will work. What is the built-in method drag and drop? Okay, which is under the actions class. Right? Under the actions class means using the object we will access. Drag and drop. For right click, how we will do? Context click. Double click.
Understood.
Double click. Move to the element, how we will do? Not move to the element. Understand? You need to remember all these actions. All these are part of the actions class. Is it clear? So now today I will upload all these examples into the website. So you can go through. Okay? Okay? Any questions from this one? So we are done with the actions. Tomorrow, 1 second, guys. Yeah, hello. Sorry, guys. So remaining any methods are there, you can practice. Now you understand the concept, right? What to do? Go through the examples. You can set for the examples and you can practice. This is the way to learn. Okay. Next session we will learn about alert class. That is very simple compared to this one. Alert class, how to accept or decline the alerts. Yes or no buttons, clicking on that one. Then let's see what else is there.
Is it like window alert
Huh?
for the
Yeah,
window alert? Okay.
yeah. Alert message we get, right? If you click anything, yes or no, sometimes we get. Screenshot we learned, synchronization we learned. Every interview they will ask synchronization, how to use the explicit wait. Yesterday also Akhilesh is missing the session. Akhilesh had the interview yesterday. They asked this one. Okay, synchronization. And the screenshot, how to capture error message, exception handling, multiple windows, alert message we will learn. Alert message and frames. Cross browser testing using Selenium. How to access the dynamic elements. Okay, writing the XPath for dynamic elements. CSS we learn. Files. Files is separate session. Okay, how to read the files and everything. Web table also. Yesterday they asked one more question. In the row 6, column 5, how we will write the XPath for that. That's what the question in yesterday's interview for Akhilesh. Then log files. Okay. This is Java. We don't need to worry about this properties file. And in C# we will learn about config file. How to. Okay. Then framework we will go to. Okay. That is the plan. This course. Okay. Next few sessions. Then at the end, I will show you how to check in, check out the code, how to create the PR and everything, merge the code and everything. Okay. That's the plan for this one. Okay, guys. That's all for today. Any questions? I will share the recording also. Any questions? Okay. Thank you.